the nose up, CPMU go beautiful loop. First performed in 1913 by Classic.
Like, what makes them need this here and nothing there?
Formation flying is a skilled art form demanding both discipline and trust. Its design allowed a group of aircraft to operate in close proximity to one another with a high degree of maneuverability and safety. In order to conflict, the airplanes in formation must maintain separation in the vertical, the horizontal, and the vertical planes. Now, this next maneuver is part loop and part roll, and it's known for its elegance. It is the barrel roll. Since 1930, the barrel roll has been the cornerstone of military flight training aviation. In the 1940s, military pilots had a number of nicknames for this SNJ. The aircraft is also known as the pilot maker because of its primary role as a flight training aircraft. Also, Old Growler to its distinctive engine sound. These aircraft were manufactured by North American Aviation in Inglewood, California, and were designated as Navy SNJs. The Army Air Corps, later the U.S. Air Force, designated their model the AT-6, and the Canadian Armed Forces flew a version known as the Warbird. This requires a high degree of precision and trust because the wing pilot is singularly focused on the lead aircraft throughout the entire maneuver. Talk about these Texans again. There are about 15,500 of these aircraft produced, and they are commonly referred to as Texans. Most military pilots of the greatest generation received their advanced flight training in a Texan. Without doubt, this aircraft played a pivotal role in the training of pilots for both World War II and Korea. The United States Navy phased out the Texan out of military service in the mid-50s, but the Texan service continued in developing nations all over the world. The Texan served in 63 nations, usually in a training role, but occasionally in light attack or even as a fighter. Very hard to do, flying side by side, just one side, and here they are.
It's being so difficult because there are only 2 points of reference rather than 3 to maintain position.
Yeah, it makes it real tough. The 45-degree bearing line is a lot easier to fly than line abreast. Warbird turret pilots are Chris C.T. Thomas and Mike Buick Eberhardt. C.T. is an elite aircraft and resides with his family in Virginia Beach. C.T. is a third-generation pilot and learned how to fly at 17 years old with his naval aviator father as his instructor. C.T. earned flight time while flight instructing, banner towing, and flying charters and freight. He's been a pilot for over 37 years. Number 2 pilot, known as the wing pilot, is Mike Buick Eberhardt, and he resides with his wife in Miami, Florida. Buick has been flying for 45 years. He started flying seaplanes at 14 years old and earned his Howard ratings when he was 17 years old. By the way, 14 and 17-year-olds are the FAA's minimum age to become a sailplane pilot or a powered pilot. So he did it before he could drive. Coming up, the maneuver is dedicated to the men and women of our military and their family members that sacrifice and support them. They will create a scene we hope is recognizable. Ladies and gentlemen, the Warbird Motor March. CT and Buick are both instructors at major airlines. And here they go into opposing loops. Always keep an eye on each other. Find a fire. Those smoke trails look almost identical. Up again, and we're going to have reverse half-cubic eights. These SMJs, made in 1942 and 1943 respectively, are over 80 years old. They're equipped with full pilot controls in both the front and the rear cockpits. Usually the student sits in a front seat and the instructor in the back. The Texan has a maximum speed of 240 miles an hour and a max gross weight of 5,300 pounds. It is powered by a 9-cylinder R1340 watt radial engine manufactured by Pratt & Whitney. The engine is almost as significant as the aircraft. The Pratt & Whitney series design was considered revolutionary and received the Historic Engineering Landmark Award from the American Society of Mechanical Engineers. This is Warbird Thunder's column. Coming down to pick up some energy. CT and Buick are coming up, and they're going to do another barrel roll. They did so well on the first one, they they figured he'd give it another shot. Here comes the smoke, there goes the nose, and here they go into another barrel roll. To transfer all that power, 600 horsepower from the R1340, transferred into thrust requires a very large propeller. The Hamilton standard prop on these airplanes is 9 feet diameter. That growl or barker here are the propeller tips approaching supersonic speeds and occasionally breaking the sound barrier. Hence its nickname, Old Growler.
These are much more powerful than what you have.
From the right-hand side, lower to nose, pick up more energy. Here comes Warbird Thunder again.